We are going to the Amazon Rainforest. This is the Amazon Rainforest. This is me, Mummy and Daddy. And my sister, Alicia, we're all going. We're going to look for bugs. We're going and going deeper and deeper on the path. Very a lot. This is a caterpillar. We found it in the bathroom. This is a frilly one. Looks fluffy but it's spiky. Looks fluffy and very long.
These are nocturnal. I don't know what type of bad flies they'll turn into, but they will, I think they'll turn into yellow bad flies. They're nocturnal. One day they'll come up, one night they'll come up to their meat, and then they'll come back down and go into a home like that.
Butterflies are very delicate. When they're just gone out of the cocoon, they're so delicate. You're not allowed to touch their wings till all the blood is in. They're a very interesting species. Clearing butterflies have clear wings. All the way through we go. Owl moths. Owl butterflies are very interesting. Yellow, blue, green, orange and purple. All different colours. There's like loads of butterflies. Bully ants. These are the biggest and wildest ants in the whole world. They're so big. These ants are eating a millipede. These are very interesting ants. They're eating it, and this is why we're tracking them all. We're near a camp. We're on a walk. This is leafcutter ants, and these big ants are cutting the leaves. This one's almost finished. It's time to get it. Oh, these ants are ready to go back to the fungus nest, and they're walking. The ones what Weasleys are going towards the fungus nest. The ones out are going back. This is their path. A lot of them are going. So many are going. They have to go. These are bugs. I mean worms. They are good for eating. This is a moth with so much fungus in it. This is a camouflaged. Camouflage means hidden, and it's very camouflaged. This is a leather camouflaged. That is a cricket.